All right. Can y'all see this shit? Can y'all see this shit? Can y'all see me? Y'all can see me and y'all can see this? All right. Hopefully my screen not blurry. It looked like it's blurry on Streamlabs, but when I look back at the recording, it shouldn't be blurry. Let's go ahead and yeah, zoom in shit like that. So boom, let me just explain this shit real quick. Just real quick why I take this trade. This is it's supposed to go for a 1 to 2, but this is just a 1 to 1. I'm going for a 1 to 1. My 1 to 1 is right here. This trade should be a 1 to 2 trade though. Let me see. My 1 to 1 trade is right here. But this shit should go for a 1 to 2 simply off of my rules. I could have started this stream before this trade took place, but I didn't because I didn't want to start the stream and that shit didn't go into my entry. So boom. Everything, bro, I'm not gonna lie, it was 2 pairs, 3 pairs kind of today that kind of looked pretty good, but I ended up only taking 1 pair because all these other pairs kind of like sold me. Let's see. For instance, this one I didn't take this trade because this shit I was gonna, if I was to get in, I would have got in right here, but I seen some shit up in here on the higher time frame that just showed me that this smaller time frame wasn't connected to the higher time frame that helped this continue to go down. So I didn't take it. As soon as I got my entry, it reversed. So I'm glad I didn't take that. There was this trade as well. Same thing. It was supposed to continue to go down, but it ended up flipping on me. So I didn't take that one. US CAD is the only one that I ended up taking because it's supposed to turn back around and reverse according to my setup. Because we're connected to the higher time frame, which leads me to believe that this is going to carry on into a continuation to continue to go up, breaking out of this little consolidation period because we need to break out of this little consolidation period on a higher time frame. This is what we need to do. This is what we came down here to do, to collect all these orders and then turn back around. So with that being said, we're on an uptrend on the weekly and continuing that uptrend on the weekly. We're on an uptrend on the daily, continuing that uptrend on the daily. We're on an uptrend on the 4 hour. We're on an uptrend on the 1 hour as well right now. We're on an uptrend on the 30 minute as well right now. We're on an uptrend on the 15 minute as well right now. And we are on an uptrend on the 5 minute as well right now. We ended up getting that retracement, which allowed me to pull out this retracement tool. We're on a uptrend on a 5 minute right here. We were right here now, which allowed me to see that we got a 5 minute retracement within our trading zone. We got that 5 minute retracement while everything is in trend. We got that 5 minute retracement to pull back. We seen that on the 5 minute retracement right here, this 5 minute retracement from the top to the bottom to the last 5 minute retracement was right here. This is all a connection. This is from this point, from this last 5 minute retracement to this 5 minute retracement. This is all connected. So this is like a leg type shit in the market. So if this is connected, this should be connected on a higher time frame too. So if this is connected, all right, so this was the last 5 minute retracement. We went up here and now we're getting another 5 minute retracement. We're gonna pull out the retracement tool, go from top to bottom, and then go through time frames to see what time frame are we connected to. Okay, on a 5 minute from top to bottom, what one was we connected to in a higher time frame, also getting a retracement. So what you need to do is 5 minute getting a retracement, you go on a higher time frames, you see what 5 minute retracement is connected to the higher time frame. That same 5 minute retracement that we saw, where is that fucking 5 minute retracement connected to? If it's not connected to nothing but the 5 minute time frame, I'm not taking a trade. But if it's connected to the higher time frames, okay, cool. We see that this ended up getting a retracement with the 5 minute, previous 5 minute. You see, this 5 minute, the previous 5 minute ended up getting a retracement right here, and then we ended up going back into trend. From that retracement, we came back down, got another retracement. So from this retracement to this retracement, because this is my session time that I trade, from these two, I'm like, okay, cool. Where is this retracement connected to? It's connected to the 15 because this 15 also got a retracement with that 5 minute before getting that break of structure. Correct me if I'm wrong. Do y'all see that shit? We got that break of structure before getting another break of structure back into the trend. We got a 15-minute retracement exactly like we got a 5 minute retracement. Did we do the same thing on a 30-minute? No, we didn't do the same thing on the 30-minute because the 30-minute didn't break any structure. But the 5-minute retracement is connected to the 30-minute pullback. But this isn't a 30-minute retracement, so it's not connected to the 5-minute because 5-minute has a retracement. If the 30-minute would have had a retracement, then it would have been connected to it. But it's not. You get what I'm saying? So if you don't get what I'm saying, just go back and watch a whole bunch of other videos. Like I said, this trade is supposed to win. I got it. Actually, nah, think about it. It is supposed to win, but if it doesn't, it doesn't. I'm not tripping. I got my stop loss under this. I'm finna actually put it. I got my. It's supposed to be. My stop loss is supposed to be under these lows. It's supposed to be 500, 530, 530. That's cool. I'm not tripping. I'm not expecting this to lose. It's supposed to be $500, but 530. I'm not tripping. I'm not. All right, 500, 500. Um, I'm gonna actually just make it even because they take my profit anyway. They take my profit anyway. Yeah, I'm going to a lot. Another thing, hey, bruh. Yeah, like prop firm trading is cool if you know how to trade. Yeah, bro, I know how to trade, but they got so many fucking rules, bro. You can't even go for now these days, bro. You can't even go from one to twos, like, or they gonna take that profit because you like it's a lot of shit, like a lot of rules and shit that they implemented. Um, but I just kind of wanted to show y'all this trade before I leave. I do got work today. Like this is the first trade this whole week that I've took. This whole week, like literally, like I've only been taking one trade per week. Last week I took a $700 trade on a Wednesday. Last week it was news. I didn't even know. Today I'm taking another trade. Wednesday. Um, Let me actually make sure there's no news. Yeah, there's no news today. There's no news today. Hopefully the market ends up going up. I got this trade set up before 10 o'clock, so it just gives me all the confirmation that I need in terms of do I take this trade, do I not take this trade, blah 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 blah. So yeah, I'm not tripping, but I'm not gonna stay in front of this computer all day. I can turn off my camera and just let y'all watch the price go up and down, up and down, up and down. Last time I did that though, my PC crashed. So what I am going to do is cut off this recording and then start the recording again and let y'all see. Um, so yeah, I love y'all. Let's watch this. Let's watch this hit stop loss or take profit. And if I have to come back, if I just stop the recording, then I will probably put a screenshot or just let you know if I won or if I lost. I love y'all. I'm out. Alrighty. My cam is off. My camera is off. I repeat, my camera is off, but I've been in this trade all day. Literally all day. Today is now 9:25. It is 2 a.m., almost 3 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And we're finally about to hit take profit. I've already recorded part one, and you're probably just getting from that part, and you're still on the same video. And this is part two of the video because, bro, this is the next day, dog. Like, literally. So, this is what you deal with when you trade Forex pairs. When you trade Forex pairs and like not gold or NAS, but when you're trading Forex pairs like US CAD and any currency versus currency, it's gonna fucking move slow. So, but um, I've been holding this trade all day, and it's simply because it hasn't broken my initial swing, my initial swing low. It hasn't broke my initial swing low. So this 5 minute retracement was connected to this 5 minute, and that 5 minute was this 5 minute swing or 15-minute swing. And we never came all the way down here breaking these 5 minute lows, making this 15-minute swing invalid. We never did that. So I continued to hold, even if we got super, super close to the profit. Even if we got super, super close to the take profit, I didn't take the profit because we didn't hit our target, and we didn't come. And like I was like, yeah, I know I was gonna wait a long time. Once I started seeing the market come down and I seen what time it was, I was like, yeah, I'm gonna definitely have to wait till like tonight or like tomorrow to see it hit take profit. But the good news is this is a 1 to 2 setup. If I'm not mistaken, I would have went to it for a 1 to 2 in this setup if I was on a live account. But I'm not on a live account, so I'm going for a 1 to 1. Um, but like I just have faith in this trade, and I believe that it's a 1 to 2 setup. So it just makes sense for it to cook up before it get ready to take off. And I think it's about to take off. So I already explained why I got in this trade in a part one. I shouldn't really explain it over again, but same difference. I seen a retracement after it being in a trend, and I just found the entry, and I seen what the retracement was connected on the higher time frame, and I got an entry in from there. And we've been getting retracements off of that higher time frame. Push up. We've been getting retracements off of that, and now we're in London session. About to collect these orders and take me at a profit. But take all these people out that sold. Trying to get all these lows and shit. So yeah, hopefully we just hit take profit. And I'm gonna play the game, but I'm gonna time lapse this recording and let it run. So I love y'all. If y'all got any questions, let me know. And I will talk to y'all later. As you can see, we hit take profit. This is the same fucking chart, same market. Like I said this is a 1 to 2 trade. I don't know if y'all believed me or not, but you remember when I told y'all yesterday this is supposed to go for a 1 to 2, but I'm only going for a 1 to 1 because my profit target is at a 1 to 1 because I'm on a prop firm. I'm not on my live account, but it for surely went up to a 1 to 2. It just took 2 days. So, but I mean, shit. This is a W trade, another W trade in the books. I just wanted to kind of tell y'all and show y'all this was a 2 day trade. So, this video is gonna be long as hell. But as y'all can see, nigga, we made it. Fuck is you talking about? Nigga, we made it. Nigga, do y'all see this? Like, we came all the way up, hit take profit, and it didn't take me out. I still waited throughout the whole night. Came back to break even and to draw down. This shit could have kept going down. Instead, it went up, took me out of profit. This is what happened when you wait and you wait for your reward. This is what happens. I caught it before it all happened, and then it happened. So I just wanted to kind of tell y'all, show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all my trade. Closed positions. It was supposed to be $500, but it stopped me out a little bit below it. But I was asleep, so it doesn't matter. Like, as of recently, yeah, like, bro, I'm not gonna lie. As of recently, bro, my trades have been hitting. Like, I have not been taking. If I was taking like big L's, this shit happened before I switched up my strategy. As of recently, yeah, I haven't really been taking a lot of trades, but I don't need to take a lot of trades when I'm catching big ass trades at least once and twice every week. That's making up for the days that I lost, the trades that I win with big take profits. But besides the point, I just wanted to kind of tell y'all and show y'all that this trade hit take profit. Don't be discouraged by the losses. The losses are gonna happen. The wins are gonna happen. These losses were my first setup, which my first setup is very profitable as well. I just had to tweak some things because I didn't like taking these big ass L's. So I had to tweak a couple of things, and as y'all can see, I'm catching big ass wins. So with that being said, we bringing this back to break even, next trade, and then on to the profit. So from there, all we got to do is just chill and continue catching these trades like we supposed to. I love y'all. I just want to kind of update y'all. I'm finna upload this video. I'll talk to y'all boys later.